Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The disruptions to regular school and work activities took a toll on the business of stationery and office supplies, SOS, this year. Nevertheless, the company is reporting its highest ever revenue, resulting in record profits for the 2019 financial year. Despite the pandemic, SOS is hoping to keep that momentum going with the addition of a few new items to its offerings. Here's Andrew Laley with that report.
Deputy Managing Director at Stationery and Office Supplies, SOS, Alan McDaniel, says the company started to feel the financial pinch in February. He explained that shortly after, local and international deals paused and expansion plans came to a standstill as much of the island went into a wait-and-see mode. Since then, he says the company has found ways to capitalize on the increasing demand for items which became necessary due to the pandemic.
Items such as acrylic screens, which we build to the customer's specifications, can be mounted to either the customer's desk or increase the height of existing partitions, allowing persons to continue to use their existing furniture and not have to repurchase all new products.
He says the company took a strategic decision on which items to stock up on, in keeping with existing protocols on which products might be suitable for public spaces right now.
We have increased our stock of both vinyl and plastic chairs, which are easier to clean and can provide the same level of comfort as fabric, but with the comfort that they can see that their chair has been cleaned and they know when they feel comfortable sitting in it.
While adding to its product line, SOS is also increasing its storage capacity with a view to surpass its 2019 accomplishments.
For years, we've been doing small jobs, bringing in these products from the States, knowing that a much bigger market existed. And now we have sourced a factory that manufactures this high-quality product. Each shelf can take a weight of capacity of 5,000 pounds, and we have uprights that can go as high as 36 feet. Presently, we're using 18 feet in this warehouse. Since launching this product here, we have already secured 2 large products and have more working on. These new items are going to help us increase our monthly sales as we work towards the 1.35 billion in revenues we are setting our expectations for.
Andrew Laley, TVJ News.
The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market today with a flash sale operation. Now, the BOJ offered $20 million to authorize dealers and cambios. On this occasion, the central bank restricted the price at which BFIXit participants resell the funds to a maximum spread of 20 cents on the buy price. Additionally, as we've seen in recent flash sale auctions, the BOJ is restricting resale to end users. Now, end users, as defined by the central bank, are non-financial commercial entities that are funding obligation for essential goods and services. And currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $148.65. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.55. The pound is going for $199.87, while the euro closed at $179.20. And the JC Index lost 6,792 points today, and the junior market index is down 35 points. Among the winners were Caribbean Cream, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Jamaica Broilers Group, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and iCreate. On the losing side were ISP Finance Services, Kingston Properties, Dermond Trading, Palace Amusement Company, and Kingston Wharves. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.